Get ready, because today we're revealing 3 powerful reasons why the 2025 Kawasaki KX450 might just force you to buy it. Kawasaki has once again raised the bar for motocross dominance, and this year's model proves why it's still the bike to beat on dirt tracks around the world. Aggressive design with racing DNA. The 2025 KX450 instantly catches your eye with its razor-sharp styling and race-ready stance. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the ergonomics for better rider control, reducing weight while keeping the aggressive green attitude that defines the brand. The slimmer chassis and narrower bodywork aren't just about looks, they enhance movement and balance in tight corners and tricky jumps. Every line and curve of this bike screams speed and precision, giving riders the championship-ready feeling even before they start the engine. Next-level power and performance. Now, let's talk about what makes riders fall in love, the heart of the beast. The 2025 KX450 comes with a revised 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine. Kawasaki engineers have upgraded the intake system, refined the fuel injection mapping, and improved exhaust flow for instant throttle response. The result? Explosive power delivery that's smoother and stronger across the rev range. The new hydraulic clutch system offers better feel and lighter operation, while the latest electric start keeps you race-ready at the push of a button. Combined with the new 5-speed gearbox and optimized gear ratios, the KX450 gives riders total control over every section of the track. Superior handling and suspension. Handling is where the 2025 KX450 really shines. The updated aluminum perimeter frame provides incredible rigidity without sacrificing flexibility. Paired with the show of 49mm coil spring fork and Unitrack rear suspension, this setup absorbs impacts like a pro, keeping stability over rough terrain. Kawasaki also refined the bike's central balance for better traction and turning. Whether you're attacking whoops or taking a sharp berm, the KX450 responds like an extension of your body. It's built for riders who push their limits and want a machine that keeps up effortlessly. Technology that wins races. This year, Kawasaki introduces enhanced rider support features including selectable power modes, launch control, and smartphone connectivity via the Radiology app. You can now adjust mapping, monitor performance, and fine-tune your bike directly from your phone. Final verdict. The 2025 Kawasaki KX450 is more than just an upgrade, it's a statement of intent. With unmatched power, refined handling, and cutting-edge tech, this machine is ready to dominate any motocross challenge. For anyone chasing victory or simply craving the thrill of true performance, this is the dirt bike that delivers.